Hi, I'm Frank Mellas with Inspections and Investigative Engineers. Jack and I are co-owners of this company, and we've been good friends for the last 25 years, and we decided about 10 years ago to start a business together, and it's been the best thing we've ever did.
I have over 35 years in the construction, inspection, building official communities, and our company provides a full range of engineering services to the local government and municipal facilities.
We specialize in everything. We're jack of all trades, masters of none. We do engineering services for insurance companies. We do inspections, plan reviews, and building official services for jurisdictions. I have over 30 years experience as a building official, and we just enjoy what we do. We enjoy helping people.